Samsung is expected to bring the Galaxy S22 series in early Feb, and rumors are suggesting the design of the Vanilla and the Plus phones is going to remain pretty much the same as the Galaxy S21 series. A real-life photo of the Galaxy S22 appeared on Weibo early today. We would have thought it is the Galaxy S21 given the similar design if it wasn't for the glossy back panel. The current flagship series supports a matte finish. Meanwhile, the FCC certified the SM908U smartphone, which is the Galaxy S22 Ultra, also reported to be renamed Galaxy S22 Node, along with an EJ-PS908 stylus pen, which is obviously a new S Pen since the model number does not match any previous Samsung product. Tipster Yogesh Brad has revealed on Twitter what could be the first visuals of the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup with dummy models. The dummy models showcases the phone in two color variants, black and white. The Samsung Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus back panels follow their predecessors' design profile to a T with a triple camera module placed on the top left corner of the device in a vertical alignment and an LED flash placed beside the primary camera. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is different. The device also features a similar but different camera setup compared to the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Instead of the quad cameras being surrounded by the camera module, the lenses appear to protrude out of the flat body. The laser autofocus and LED flash are placed above the telephoto camera, similar to the S21 Ultra. Additionally, the device appears to have rounded edges, hinting at the curved display. All three modules can be observed with the Samsung branding on the lower center. The device can be observed to differ a lot in size, giving credence to previous rumors that suggest the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will feature smaller size displays at 6.06 inch and 6.55 inch respectively. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.8 inch screen accompanied by a stylus which will be housed inside the device. And also, the device is rumored to come in 4 color variants so far, namely black, white, red and olive. Samsung is yet to reveal any official details or a launch timeline for the Galaxy S22 series, but rumors are afloat of an early Feb launch. So stick around as we expect more leaks to surface as we get closer to the launch event. So that's it for today. Now, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.